Over 50 years ago, in 1945, Carl Gustav Ek founded the company known as EKS in Gnosjö, Sweden. Initially, EKS was a machine tool manufacturer, but over the years it evolved into the scale industry it is today. With our roots in the tool-making business, we currently manufacture a large variety of bathroom and kitchen scales. EKS remains a family-owned concern, with today's operations being directed by the founder's son, Göran Ek. Our Swedish factory, which is also our head office, is situated in Smålandsstenar in the south of Sweden. EKS always apply the latest technologies when designing and constructing their products. Here is one example. After the scale models have been outlined in the computer, the construction data is transferred to a lathe for conversion into a working model. When it is decided to go ahead with the construction of a new scale model, new tools have to be produced with the assistance of a tool processing device. Before the new tool is put into production, it will be fine-tuned by the tool maker. This is the production department for plastic components. The production process is fully automated with state-of-the-art technology. In fact, it's certainly one of the most modern scale producing units in Europe. Here the robot retrieves the plastic parts from the machines and places them in cartons that are directly loaded onto a truck heading for the assembly plant in France. At the EKS factory in Smålandsstenar, Sweden, we have various types of steel presses. The one you see here is used to make the upper and lower parts for the smallest model of our compact scale. This shows how one of the parts, a steel arm, is produced. And this is the quality control room where all steel parts are measured. Both the top and bottom parts are produced by a steel press. The rotating arm then hooks these parts onto a moving transfer cable, which transports them to the varnishing department. But before the steel chassis are transferred to the varnishing department, they will pass through a cleansing unit which has been developed to meet today's standards of non-pollution. EKS aim to make advances in technology but strive always for environmentally safe solutions. After the steel parts have been varnished, a robot places them onto a circular conveyor which transports them to the next robot for transfer to a pallet. Here the partly constructed scales are loaded onto a truck which takes them to the assembly plant in France. Our assembly plant in France is located in the wonderfully picturesque province of Alsace. This area is well known for its fine white wines. People from all over the world come here to enjoy the grape harvest and to inhale the beauties of its landscape and admire the medieval architecture. Our production facilities are located in Wittesheim, 45 minutes south of Strasbourg. As soon as the goods arrive at the assembly plant, they are placed in the storage area until they are needed for the production line. Our French production unit employs more than 200 workers. We have a fully qualified and skilled workforce. Even our production plant in France maintains a high level of automation. Considerable amounts of capital and time have been invested in building the most up-to-date manufacturing unit in the world. These booths contain our automatic adjusting machines, yet another development from EKS. A laser beam reads the dial so that the correct weighing value is set. We believe these to be the only automatic adjusting machines currently functioning in a production unit. This is the Quality Control Department. EKS realised the importance of ongoing controls for maintaining high standards of production. A sample test is made from every new batch. Even the cartons are tested in a so-called drop test. This is to ensure that the boxing can withstand all the trials of transportation. Here we see the production lines for one of our kitchen scale models. And this is our factory maintenance department. EKS sales offices are represented at the following locations: USA, Italy, England, France, Spain, and Germany. EKS is the only manufacturer in Europe producing a full assortment of scales. We make high-precision bathroom and kitchen scales designed for the modern home. In addition, we also market letter scales and industrial weighing machines. EKS has established its reputation in Europe not only as the largest scale manufacturer, but also as an innovative producer that sets the ultimate standards in design and excellence.